Hello everyone, Crafer here, and in this video, I will be telling you how you can change the sizes and edit your label or text. So let's get right into it. So in the last episode, we learned how to use the H tag. So in today's, we'll be learning how to customize it. So let's begin. So first, you need to right click on that folder, create a new file. So name it style.css. So to make the thing to make the file work, you need to link the file in the HTML tag. So you have to link it in the head tag. So lesson in symbol link href is equal to double quotes style.css. Then rel is equal to double quotes style sheet. Style sheet. Greater than symbol. So you need to give ID and classes. So you can take that ideal class into the CSS or HT JavaScript to customize it. So you need to write the ideal class inside the first tag. So after h6 you need to write id is equal to double quotes h1. Then you can give the class also. You can give both id and class at the same time. So class is equal to double quotes h2. You can give it anything according to accessibility. Okay, go in the style.css. So hashtag is for id. So I'm going to h1. Then open and close curly brackets. So we are gonna do it. So let's first do the color thing. So let's change the color to blue. So color column blue semicolon. So now for the class it's dot. So dot h2. Again open and close round curly brackets. Then so let's change the text size. So font dash size. So you can even give it in percentage or pixels. So you can give like 100% or like pixels. So 500 px semicolon. So it will become bigger as you increase the pixel. So it's h6. So then we can go live and test it. So the color have changed to blue and the text size is also changing. So this is how you can customize your thing, your ID. You can test more things on your own. So this is it for this episode. In the next episode, we will be learning more exciting things. So make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Click the notification bell so you are the first person to view the video. Leave a comment below if you have any doubts. Like the video if you like it. Share if you want more people to learn coding. See ya!